Welcome to the Global Accelerator at Velocity, Texas. We're very excited to welcome you for this program, and I'm going to take you on a tour inside to give you a glimpse of what you'll be expecting. So we're just on the inside now, and as you can see, the very first thing we look at is the early ideation of companies. And you can see behind me we've got various seating available, really for you to bring your backpack in with your computer and work at your pace, using our personnel to help guide you along in the early stages of building a company. So here, as you can see, we have a mail room. We have approximately 100 mailboxes so that you can have a virtual office location instead of using a home or apartment for the address for your company. So now we're going to go into the Community Resource Center. And this is a room where we can collectively get large groups of people to work on projects, have classroom activities, and get on the internet to figure out what's going on around the world. So this room is a community resource center, and it can be configured in several different ways. Right now we have it set up for social distancing due to the coronavirus activities around. So as you pan through the room, you can see that we have every chair about 6 feet apart, and we can seat up to about 18 people. In other configurations in a classroom, we can put 48, or if we're doing a seated auditorium, we can do approximately 125. We are also, as you can see, we have smart TVs in here, in that we can Zoom anywhere in the world. We can do video conferences where we have some local, but we also can use the internet to broadcast the activities around them. So as companies graduate from just the open area where they're working on things on themselves or by themselves, we move to offices. And so you can move into an office that has space for either one person or even up to 3 or 4 persons, depending upon how we reconfigure it. We used modular walls so that we can take them down or put them up over a weekend to reconfigure the offices to meet the size to take care of your needs. You'll see throughout the building that anytime we have a wide spot in the hallway, we have additional seating. And they're all different configurations that you can see down the hallway. You can meet in groups of 1, 2, 3, or even up to about 8 in every place. And these are all various offices that are rented now by companies that we're accelerating. We have a studio for podcasts, blogs, and we can actually do a full studio broadcast from within here. So come see. This is our studio. We have a green wall behind you. We also have full capability of Zooming around the world, or WebEx, or the different connectivity. And as you can see, we can come in and we can either watch Zoom presentations from here, or we can actually broadcast from here. So this is one of our work rooms. We have several conference rooms of different sizes here with different connectivity, but this one specifically is for a work room for fleshing out ideas. As you can see, the walls around me are all writable walls, and we have a lot of collaboration in these rooms, bringing forth a lot of good ideas. This is a typical area where you might be spending your time when you're here with us in the Bio Accelerator. Offices, and then we'll go down to the end and show you one of our common areas. Okay, this is our Collision Cafe, and we're very excited about this space because this is where all of you will be meeting up and talking, finding out what each other are doing, and perhaps collaborating. So we look forward to you coming to this area, and we look forward to having a cup of coffee with you and talking about your ideas. So this area is the outside of our Collision Cafe, and we look at it more like a university campus, and then we have lots of seating, lots of areas to get together and collaborate. We have lots of connectivity out here, as well as plugs for computers and USB ports. So it's a great gathering place to get together again and talk about our projects with you and give advice. So we look forward to having you here.